In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table number in Canva. Whether you're planning an elegant wedding or a playful birthday party, creating custom table numbers can add that personal touch to your event's table settings, seamlessly blending functionality with style. Let's dive in and see how you can do this easily using Canva. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Canva website, or launch the Canva app if you're using a mobile device. Once you're on the home page and logged in, direct your attention to the search bar situated at the top of the screen. You'll want to type in table number and hit enter. This action will unveil a plethora of templates specifically crafted for table numbers. You'll find a fantastic variety, ranging from clean, minimalist designs to more ornate ones, ideal for weddings or themed parties. Take a moment to browse through these templates. As you scroll, consider the theme of your event. Think about what design would nicely complement your chosen theme. Once a template catches your eye, click on it to enlarge the preview. Visualize how this template could harmonize with your color scheme, the mood of your setting, and any existing decor elements you have in place. Once you're content with your choice, it's time to customize. Click on the Customize this template button. This will transport you into Canva's design editor, where all the magic happens. Now, locate the text element on your template that displays the table number. Click directly on this text to begin editing. Here, you can replace the displayed number with the one you need for your event. This could be a simple digit or a more detailed label, depending on your table organization. You have the freedom to adjust the font style, color, and size using the options presented at the top of the editor. This will help ensure that your table numbers are not only visible, but also complement your overall design beautifully. As you're making these edits, don't hesitate to experiment with different elements. You may want to change up the font or add a border to make the numbers stand out even more. Canva provides a generous array of customization options, giving you the liberty to play around until you achieve the perfect design. Once you're happy with your table number's appearance, take a moment to review it for any potential tweaks. Make sure everything is perfectly aligned and visually appealing. When you're completely satisfied with the design, it's time to download your completed table number. Whether you choose a PDF for printing or a JPEG for sharing online, Canva has made the export process a breeze. And that's it. In a matter of minutes and just a few simple steps, you've created a bespoke table number that can enhance your event, making your guests' experience that much more special. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing!